Hey YouTube, giving you an update on these grips that we've been refinishing, and we are about 4 or 5 coats in right now, and this is what we're looking at right now. If you can see the glossiness over it, they're looking pretty good right now. So we're going to do a couple more coats on them, and then they should be ready to wet sand and buff. Wet sand and buff them just like you would a paint job on a car and get all the imperfections out, and they'll look brand new. But that is the grips that I refinished. And once again, I'm not a professional refinisher. This is just a project that I'm doing for somebody for the fun of it. But it seems to be turning out really well. We used polyurethane on them. I thinned it down with mineral spirits and did it in really thin coats, 2 or 3 hours in between coats, depending on how tacky it was when I went and checked it. But as you can see, they're turning out pretty well. Look pretty good. We should be ready maybe by tomorrow to wet sand and buff them out, and we'll see how they turn out. But let me know what you think. I don't know if anybody saw the previous videos where I stripped them down. I soaked them in acetone and sanded them, shaped them, and this is what they look like now. So any imperfections you see in it, if there's any stuff in it, that will all come out when I wet sand and buff the finish. But give me an opinion what you think about my grip refinishing on this 1970 Colt Python. Any questions on how I did it? Go ahead and ask. I'll answer it as best as I can. And you folks have a great day.